Hi, and welcome back to LiveBinders. Today I'm going to show you how to display multiple documents in a single tab using hyperlinks. This is applied when our users would like everything to appear under one tab and not as subtabs in the binder. And we do that with hyperlinks on this page. Here's a quick way to do that. You start by going up to Add Content and set it as a text template. And then go down here and click on One Column Text. And now I'm going to click on Upload, which will allow me to browse my files and choose what I want to upload. And I'll select this JPEG here for this example. And you'll see the file was uploaded as a hyperlink, whereas normally the image itself would appear right here. And now I can edit this to display as something that's a bit easier to read. If you've already uploaded a bunch of files and you want to add them as hyperlinks to a page, you can also do that without having to re-upload all of them by going up to Content and going to My Files and search All. And this will bring up your most recent uploads. So now I can simply click on these to add them to this tab. And again, I can edit the display text to something that's a bit easier on the eyes. Also, if you'd like to have these links in a separate text frame, it's possible to simply copy and paste the already existing links using Control-C to copy, or Command-C if you're on a Mac, and Control-V to paste to a new text frame, and you'll see that the hyperlinks still function as intended. And that's how you can upload multiple documents to a single tab, base tab, or subtab.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinders, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.